Hey guys, I'm going to show you in this video how to set up your WordPress blog. Specifically, I'm using WPengine. There's all sorts of different things you can be using. If you have already set up your WordPress basic default site, you don't need to watch this video, you can skip on. But I'm just going to show you how to do it in WPengine, so you've got absolutely everything from me on this training series. So WPengine, I'm going to sign in. I'm going to add an install, which will be World of Craft Beer. Oh, beer's going to be too long. I'll put World of Beer maybe. Doesn't really matter because you're not going to use it. World of Beer's gone. World of Beer. I'll just put World of Craft. So it's not going to remember that. It's just going to be your basic WordPress engine, WPengine install. So create a new install. And done. Sorry. So then you're going to get, it's going to do its thing where it's going to create a WordPress install. It's going to give you a fresh install. You enter your domain name here. So click on enter domain. I'm going to do World of Craft Beer.com. Add domain. I'm going to set it as primary. I might mess it up, but so you get an email saying that your website's set up. So now I've got an IP address. I've set up my domain. I can go to domains here. Primary domain is World of Craft Beer. This has just changed actually. I can add a redirect. I'm going to do that afterwards. So what I need to do is point my hosting, where I registered the domain in the previous video, to this IP address. So I'm going to go and find worldofcraftbeer.com. I'm going to manage the DNS. I'm going to sign in. And then this first one is showing forwarded, which it is because I actually just pushed that domain forward somewhere else. So I need to delete the forwarding. It might take a while to set it up. And then edit points to a custom forwarded. I'm going to put in the IP address that it points to and save. So hopefully it's a bit funky because of that setting. Now it's parked, right? If you've just registered it, it'll be an IP address in there. So now you see IP address for that main admin is what I've set. So it's going to take sometimes a while for that to set up. But in the meantime, I can go to my WordPress admin page that's been set up. World of Craft is the username. It's asking me to reset the password. So World of Craft. Get new password. Please enter email address. Oh, it sent it to me, did it? Paul@paulnicholson.com. It's going to send me a new link to reset the password. So here we go. So now I'm going to reset the password. I'll use the one it shows me. And then I'll log in. So you can log in with your email or the username it gave you. And then you're in, so that part's sorted. So then you're going to go to, is it works yet? So worldofcraftbeer.com. And now it's forwarding to a correct place. So there's the WordPress default. on worldofcraftbeer.com. What else? You might want to go to users and change your user. So World of Craft. I can't change the username, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the email to Paul1, and then I'm going to add a user, which will be what's this, World of Craft Beer. What am I calling it? World of, got to be lowercase. It's got to be lowercase and all one word. So World of Craft Beer, as somebody texts me. I'm going to use WOCB. I'm going to use WOC Beer as the Twitter handle and everything. So I'm going to put my username as that. Put in World of Craft Beer. First name, last name. Show password. Yep, I'll leave it at that for a minute. Send new user. Make it admin. And then add a new user. And I'll get an email for that. I'm going to go to settings. I don't know exactly the protocol for this on WordPress Engine, if I'm doing this right or not. But I'm going to change this to worldofcraftbeer.com. I'm going to make sure I do it properly though. I put World of Craft. Worldofcraftbeer.com and save. That's going to kick me out. And then it's going to come back to a login, which was going to be, I've just changed it now, paul@paulnicholson.com. I think that's so I'm in. So you see now the default URL at the top is worldofcraftbeer.com. It's not happy with the HTTPS, but we will fix that in a bit. So the reason I like WordPress Engine is it just works. It works, it's fast, it's easy to set up. You see I'm on brand new website, brand fresh install. If I wanted to change this, then I'm going to go to dashboard, kicked me out. Paul1 at, God, I can't remember all these passwords now. Paul1. I'm going to go to settings, and then I'm going to put up here World of Craft Beer.com. So that's the title of your website. Celebrating great craft beer, right, as the tagline. So that's pretty much me set up. So if I go back to the site now, it's a default site, worldofcraftbeer.com, celebrating craft beer. URL up the top is worldofcraftbeer.com. My new admin is set up. What I can do is I'm going to log in and change the password on the one that I set up so I remember it when I come to do it, and then I will delete this World of Craft login. Reason I like WPengine quickly is it just works, it's fast. You will get Content Delivery Network when you turn it on. That's an extra $19 a month. So it's $30 a month, so it's expensive, and then it's another $20 for the Content Delivery Network. You get free SSL, so you can add an SSL certificate. I'm not going to do that yet on this. I'm going to do it later. But the biggest point is it backs up every morning. And you can, like now I can put backup before big install, big plugins, right? Send notifications, it's going to send it to me automatic. And then that's how easy it is to back something up. And then if you ever have a problem, you just click on the backup and click restore, and it restores your website. So it makes it almost an unbreakable website. So if my website gets hacked, or I crash it, or I do something, I know the worst case scenario that every morning around 7 AM it's backed up, so I can just restore it to that backup. And I can do backups all the time. So you can see I've set up my my website. I've set up the settings so that it points to WP Engine, and that is how I quickly to set up a WordPress site on. Let me just show you on WP Engine. Let me just show you quickly. If where are we? World of Craft, right? If you add a WordPress website already, then you just put in you download the plugin, put it on your WordPress site at the minute. That put these settings into your into the plugin settings on your current website, and it will transfer the whole site over to WP Engine in like 20 minutes. It's unbelievably easy. And then all you do is you go back to and then repoint your website hosting to WP Engine. So you download a plugin, you put in the migration settings, it transfers your whole WordPress current site over, and then you just point your registration domain across to WP Engine. And that's how easy it is to move your WordPress site if you've already got one. It's another great feature, another great reason to use them. I'm not affiliated with them, I just use them, and it's what I recommend. So that's this quick video done, probably the easiest one of the videos. It got a bit longer than I expected, but hope to see you again on the next video.